Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Tools War channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.
Aksungur Medium Altitude Long Range Endurance Male Unmanned Aerial Vehicle UAV is manufactured by Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI. The multirole unmanned aerial system has a high payload capacity and is capable of performing intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance (ISR), maritime patrol, signal intelligence, and strike missions both during the day and at night. Aksungur development. Aksungur UAV made its first flight in 2019. The UAV flew with 12 mm ammunition for 28 hours at an altitude of 20,000 feet in September 2020. The KGKSIHA-82 payload of the UAV was tested in April 2021. The Wing-Assisted Guidance Kit was developed by Tubitak Defense Industries Research and Development Institute, Tubitak SAGE. The target was hit from a distance of 30 km and altitude of 20,000 feet. The male UAV accumulated 1,000 flight hours by August 2021. The first Aksungur UAV was delivered to the Turkish Navy in October 2021. Aksungur UAV is a derivative of TAI's combat-proven Anka UAV. The fixed-wing unmanned aircraft features a twin-boom configuration. It has a length of 12.5 meters, height of 3.1 meters and wingspan of 24.2 meters. The de-icing capability of the UAV provides better aerodynamic stability in humid and moisture-ridden environments. The UAV has a redundant takeoff and landing system and electrical power generation system. The base UAV can be configured into 3 different mission variants, including surveillance and reconnaissance, ground attack, and maritime patrol versions. The unmanned aircraft comes with 3 different payload options integrating electro-optical (EO), infrared, IR, laser designator, LD, laser range finder, LRF, cameras, synthetic aperture radar, SAR, ground moving target indication inverse synthetic aperture radar, GMTI ISAR, sensors, and a variety of air-to-ground weapons. The maritime patrol payloads of the UAV include SAR, GMTI ISAR, automatic identification system, sonobuoy pod and MAD boom, while communication payloads include satellite communication, SATCOM, system, personnel locating system, PLS, UHF radio relay and airborne communications node pod. The UAV has 3 hardpoints on each wing, which can hold a maximum weight of 500 kg. The weapon payloads carried by the UAV are TEBER-81, laser-guided Mk-81, TEBER-82, laser-guided Mk-82, LUMTAS, MAM-L, LUMTAS guided missile variant, SIRIT, MAM-C, SIRIT guided missile variant, HGK-3, precision guidance kit, KGK, 82, wing-assisted guidance kit, and small-diameter bombs. The UAV supports fully autonomous operations, and its communication systems are connected via redundant digital data links with a maximum range of more than 250 km. CTEC was contracted by TAI to supply satellite terminals and mini-HUB systems for its unmanned aircraft systems, including Anka-S and Aksungur, in July 2018. The first satellite system was delivered to TAI in July 2020. In the event of a total loss of communications, the drone can use return home mode and emergency landing. The UAV also has emergency landing capabilities. The Aksungur UAV is powered by dual PD-170 twin turbocharged diesel engines mounted under the wings. Each engine has a rated power output of 170 horsepower. The propulsion system enables the UAV to perform high-endurance operations. The landing gear is a retractable tricycle type with 3 wheel units. It retracts into the aircraft structure, ensuring better performance during the flight phase. The unmanned combat aerial system has a payload carrying capacity of more than 750 kg, while the maximum takeoff weight is 3,300 kg. It has a maximum endurance of 50 hours and can remain airborne for 12 hours while flying at 25,000 feet altitude with a 750 kg payload. The service ceiling of the UAV is 40,000 feet, 12,192 meters.